Guess what, folks? We're here at the Linvale. Got the keys a couple days ago, but it's been really wet, rainy, back down to like in the high 30s. Right now it's about 38 degrees. And the past couple days it's looked like this, and I haven't wanted to come back out here. But then my pole guy for the utility pole to finish up this house said he would be here tomorrow. So anyways, none of the keys would open the bottom, but the keys would open the deadbolt. So luckily the back door keys opened both. The bottom was unlocked anyways, but the deadbolt was on. So here's what it looks like inside our 14 by 70 Linvale. So living room area with a little bar here. Drawers have fallen out, of course, during the move, and it looked like they didn't bolt down the stove, so that got all jarred. I'll push this back in before I leave. We'll have to check everything when we do the walkthrough to make sure nothing is broken. The cabinets are light gray with crown molding at the top, which is very pretty. And these are to the covers. To the light fixtures. The drawers do a slow close. Maybe not, we'll see. I'll get that fixed in a minute. Let's go walk down the hallway. It's a narrow hallway. Here's a middle room that can easily be turned into like a little office area. I'm sure they have them. Let's pull these down, make sure they're working. Okay, a little closet. Okay. Recessed lighting, which is always nice. This is a 2024 model. This is the breaker panel. And this is where you put your washer and dryer. This little nook here, and this is your furnace, HVAC system. This is the bathroom. It's nice because it has a little window in the bathroom. This is your little vanity, toilet, and it looks like this got all jumbled up and broken off. So they're gonna have to come here and fix that. Easily came off the tracks. Yeah. So, I don't know if I'm gonna touch it. I might just have to leave it like this. And they're gonna have to come in and fix all this. Same shower as the other house, and this is the back door. And then you come over here, and this is the master. So here's a nice little sized closet. Be enough for one person. A little bedroom. Oh, this bedroom seems smaller to me, maybe the same size as a thrifty. Maybe it's because of the way the closet is, but comfortably, if you were to put a bed up against the window here, you might be able to get a clean, small walk-through on both sides. Over here, a double. bed would probably work, where you can have in that corner a nightstand over here, but you'll need to clear the door. These mobile homes, if they put pocket doors. Sorry, not a pocket door. You have so much more room, but because of that door there, I suppose you might be able to put the bed on this wall. Probably looks better. The bed's on this wall. Recess lighting. You hear the chirping in the background. Smoke detectors need their batteries. But this is a 14 by 70. It's called the Linvale. It's a 2-2. It's a decent little house. Might have to put some more caulking up here, we'll see, but that stayed on. Nice little fixtures. Gray, light gray cabinets. And the wall is that like wallpaper paneling that they put in mobile homes. They didn't put the nice trim molding, just put a thick molding all the way across here. But in the kitchen area itself, ceilings are pretty tall in here, which makes this look more spacious. You can see the crown molding up there above the cabinets. So this is for the storm door. I'm going to check on the stove and put the cabinets back. Interesting little fan there, kind of cool looking. It's really cold in here, it's probably in the 30s.
What you looking at?
It's freezing. But you got your Whirlpool appliances. They only have black appliances, no white ones. And this one actually has a dishwasher, where the Thrifty does not have a dishwasher. And it comes with a nice little faucet right here. Serial number. So this will be coming off. This is how they put the countertops together. So instead of worrying about putting a table here to eat, you know, this is what makes the mobile homes nice, where you have a couple of bar stools right here, little eating area. Okay, so I'm gonna put things back together and go from there.